Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News. Reggae star Jah Cure has been sentenced to 6 years in prison in the Netherlands for attempted manslaughter. The prison wall singer, whose real name is Siccaturie Alcock, stabbed event promoter Nicardo Papa Blake on October 1st at Dam Square in the city center of Amsterdam, where he was booked for a performance. Cure had performed at Blake's concert 2 days before. However, he was not paid his performance fee of €5,000. Prosecutors had demanded that the Jamaican singer be sentenced to 8 years with time served for attempted murder and assault. However, Jah Cure's lawyer argued that the incident was self-defense and that it was never the singer's intention to stab the concert promoter in the first place. He also told the court that the threatening messages that Jah Cure sent prior to the stabbing were part of the Jamaican reggae culture. On Tuesday, the panel of 3 judges rejected Cure's claim of self-defense, but ruled in his favor that it was not a premeditated act of attempted murder. The court today described the incident as an apparently fairly trivial conflict, which Jah Cure blew up and escalated. The judge ruled that such a stabbing incident in broad daylight in a busy place such as Dam Square does give the victim and society a great sense of insecurity. This will not be Jah Cure's first prison stint. In 1998, he was sentenced to 13 years in prison for raping and robbing a woman at gunpoint. Thank you for watching.